New York Stock Exchange, Sony hit me up. New York Stock Exchange files trademark for offering trading services in the metaverse. Well, there's a little metaverse follow-up. Zuckerberg's not mad. We talked, I guess, yesterday about JP Morgan opening banks in Decentraland. You know the financial people don't want to be left out. New York Stock Exchange is one of the first bourses. I've never seen that word in my life. Bourses. B-O-U-R-S-E-S. Maybe Mo can give us a definition here. In the world, seeking to anticipate the rise of virtual worlds and the business opportunities associated with them. Well, that's the key piece, isn't it? The business opportunities. No one wants to be left behind. No one wants to be left out of business opportunities. Like, are people spending money over there? Down the street over there. Yeah, that place, the metaverse. Are they spending money over there?
Down the street in the metaverse?
Yeah. Are they spending money over there? I should probably be there because I feel like the money's flowing and the NFTs and such. And I can't help it. I smell the profits. A company filed a trademark application on February 10th to offer trading services using augmented and virtual reality. We're all going to be on the New York Stock Exchange floor in the metaverse yelling and shouting.
And it's all digital, and then we're like, buy, sell.
Yeah, but we're still going to be nostalgic holding up paper slips, even though it's completely unnecessary. We're going to turn stock trading into the video game because that's really what's happened to poor people like Mo, who they've been absorbed by the video game that is gambling for the masses.
We have a rotary phone, we call it, in the metaverse.
Of course, yeah, exactly. Let me call my broker. It's part of the game. You have 4 options, A, B, C, D. Call your broker. Double down.